What is going on today, guys? Got a weird video for you. Since it's Monday, I'm going to be going out on a little vlog today. I have to upgrade my desk setup. It's a mess in here and I can't deal with it. I basically live in this office full time since I work from home. So I need to make some changes. Figured I'd take you guys with me. Might be fun. Going to Ikea to get some stuff. Let's hop into this video and I'm going to show you what my office looks like right now and why I need to change it. As you guys can see in here, it is a mess. I'm hoping to go to Ikea and get some stuff to organize everything and make everything a lot easier to grab and go. A lot of my photography gear is just kind of laying on the ground. It's a mess. Can't stand it anymore. We're going to organize and hopefully Ikea has some awesome stuff. I've been wanting to go there for 4 years. Let's hop into this. And it would not be a trip if we were not taking the rig. Not for any reason, but it is my only vehicle. We made it to Ikea. Very exciting stuff. This place is weird. What do you think about this, Ash?
Weird.
Okay, so pretty neat setup here. I got all these aisles. I took a picture of the tag and I came here and got the thing I was looking for right here. So this is gonna store some stuff. They'll lock cabinets there and I can set stuff on top and on top of that. And Ashley found this awesome live plant. This is a living plant and no fake plant. Look how cool that is. I'm gonna set it on top of that. Office is coming together. Pretty hyped to make my creative space more creative. Well, bad news, guys. The one thing I really needed, and one of the reasons why I came here, was for these guys. When I looked, they were in stock. They are no longer in stock. Dang it. So Ashley found this one. It doesn't have the individual pullouts. It's a one door and it has 2 shelves in there. It's $60 versus $114, so we're saving money. And it's in stock. We're not leaving without getting this. Good job, Ashley. I was about to just leave.
I know, you're upset.
I was mad. All right, here's the haul from Ikea. Getting ready to trade in my truck here on the brand new Cyber truck over there. Brand new. Just kidding. You know we ain't about that light. All right, Ikea run was a success. Super hype. I hear really bad stories about putting Ikea stuff together, so hopefully it's not too much of a pain. I'll make Ashley do it. Ended up taking a different way on the maps here and found this awesome overlook on the way home. I'm gonna show you guys this. It's pretty sweet. Take a minute and appreciate the truck though. So, because I have ADD and we were driving in the area, checking out cool things, there's a waterfall down there. And this dirt road we found. I'm gonna check it out. This is why little adventures take me a day and a half to do, because I get distracted and check things out. Let's hike down here and check out this waterfall. See guys, I'm trying to come down here. I hiked all the way down here for the pictures, right? I do it for the gram. I'm a photographer at heart, right? Woo! Side quest done. Now we're gonna go home. Unless something else pops up. Made it home, packages made it home and did not fall out. Time to get this unpacked, put together. I'm gonna record some of it. I don't wanna show you guys my anger when I put this stuff together. I will show you what it looks like when it's done though. Alright, so back in the office here. I just got this done, all built. Big fan of that. Put it in the corner with a little bonsai tree. I'm thinking here, see this orange light I have back here? I don't really turn it on much. So I'm thinking taking that, running it behind there so it reflects off the wall. Maybe do a corner, I don't know. We're gonna try that. But it's about 8 o'clock now and I have to build the other two things, so back to work. One is done, got one more left. I go to bed at 11 because I'm an old man. I gotta get this done. All right, guys, it is done, and this is the finished result. You can see I have my storage thing here, all my camera gear stacked up in there and on top of there. Little bonsai tree. And here's the desk set up now. No more sawhorses. I have my storage here. Open that up. Pretty sick setup. I'll give a little B-roll here, make it look all aesthetic. Thank you guys for joining me on this Ikea adventure. I know it's the next day, but I did get it finished. I finished it last night, went to bed, totally forgot to record, forgot I was doing this video. So that's why it's today, but I'm wearing the same shirt, so you probably didn't tell. So office is basically done, looking really well. Love this creative space. Gonna be editing some videos, editing this video up, working on some ideas for other videos, so awesome spot to do that. If you like this style video, let me know down in the comments. I usually don't kind of show you guys behind the scenes of my life, kind of just keep it strictly Overland and my truck stuff. So if you like this kind of video, let me know in the comments. Hit a like button, hit a subscribe button. It means a ton to me. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. We're almost there. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Check this one out right here. It's a good video. I'll see you guys later.